Hi Darren, start by telling me a little bit about what virtual industries do in the semiconductor industry and some of the products you're promoting here today.
Well, we've been in the business for over 26 years, and the semiconductor industry about 20 years, coming to this particular show when it used to be at the fairgrounds many years ago. And one of our first products was what we call a vacuum pen, a pin vac, and it was designed for handling computer chips. And we found that there was a need for people to handle wafers as well. And a computer chip actually is a process of after the wafer is made. So we invented some products that would allow the operator to use a porta-wand or a porta-vac, it's a portable vacuum tool, to be able to use to move the wafer from one location to another manually.
Right.
And then from there, we've just basically gone to smaller and smaller handling opportunities. So one of our featured products that seem to be getting the most attention today is what we call our TV1000, and it is a Tweezer Vac. And what it does is it basically allows us to use vacuum as well as mentioned earlier products and attach a smaller tip to it so that they can pick up product as small as 75 micron by hand. We basically change the tip for larger components if they need to go to above 75 micron.
Okay.
And it's all electric. Can be operated off of 110 or 220 volts, so it's available here in the U.S. and also abroad. And we have various versions of that, but that right now seems to be our most popular product.
Okay. And is it device size that's really driving you in terms of new technology at the moment?
Yes, that's a very good question. Yes, it is. And everybody mentions to us, what is the smallest that you can handle today? And most people today are noticing that 75 micron is quite an achievement for handling, handling manipulation of such a small part.
Okay, and we're all aware that the semiconductor manufacturing has drifted in terms of the volume out to Asia, but is the research and development, the new product introduction still happening here in the Valley?
I believe so, yes, and we think that some of it might be coming back, at least for our section of the industry. Why that is, there's several philosophies on that, but we're glad to see it, some of it coming back. But we do sell worldwide, but this is one of our larger shows.
Yeah, we're certainly seeing that correction of regionalization in the electronic sector. So maybe that's just following through into the semiconductor market. And it makes sense to be closer to the customer. We can't make everything in Asia.
I have to agree with you, 100%. That's great news too.
Yeah, it is. Okay, well, Darren, thanks for your time. Good to see you. Good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye now.